Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to roll back Elementor to a previous version in WordPress. This is particularly helpful if you're experiencing loading problems or compatibility issues after a recent update. Rolling back to a stable version can quickly restore your site's functionality while you troubleshoot the underlying problem. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply enter your credentials and navigate to the back end of your site. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your plugins and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a menu item labeled Elementor. Hover over it, and you'll see several options appear. From these, click on Tools. This section houses various maintenance and troubleshooting features that Elementor provides, including the ability to manage different versions of the plugin. After clicking Tools, you'll be taken to a new page with multiple tabs across the top. Look for and click on the Version Control tab. This is the specific area where Elementor allows you to manage which version of the plugin is currently active on your site. It's a powerful feature that gives you control over updates and lets you revert changes if something goes wrong. Now you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Rollback Version. If you know exactly which previous version worked well for your site, you can use this drop-down to select that specific earlier version. This is optional, but it's useful if you want to target a particular stable release rather than just the most recent previous version. Take a moment to review the available versions and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, or if you're simply rolling back to the immediate previous version, click the button that says Reinstall Previous Version. This action will initiate the rollback process, and Elementor will begin replacing the current version with the one you've selected. You might notice the page loading or processing for a moment as WordPress handles the reinstallation. Don't navigate away during this process, as interrupting it could cause issues with your plugin installation. After the reinstallation completes, there's one final crucial step. Don't forget to click Save Changes. This ensures that all your settings and the version rollback are properly saved and applied to your site. Skipping this step could mean your changes don't take effect, and that's it. You've successfully rolled back Elementor to a previous version, which should resolve any loading problems or compatibility issues you were experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.